Welcome to uKnowva HRMS Foundation course series. In this quick video, we'll show you how to bulk edit employee details efficiently. Let's get started. To bulk edit employees, go to the My Team or Team menu and click on the Team Member submenu. Select the users you want to edit by checking the boxes next to their names. Click on the Bulk Operations button at the top of the page. From the options, find and click Bulk Edit User. A pop-up will appear showing the selected users and fields you can edit in bulk, such as status, designation, role, reporting manager, business head, default shift, branch location, PT states, department, cost center, and company. Make the necessary changes, then click Submit to apply the updates to all selected users. If you wish to cancel, click Cancel to abort the action. And that's it! You've successfully bulk edited employee details in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.